Dear friends, in this video, I'd like to go on our series of natas. We are coming close to the distillation. The level I'm going to do would be from level 26 to level 27. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can switch over to the Kali Linux VM. I've already opened up the natas site, and we can copy this URL as starting point. And we can modify the level from 0 to 26. And the username should be natas26. And we can copy its password from notebook. Paste in here. So here, this level provides us the function of drawing a line. For example, the first point is 0, 0 to maybe like 200, 500, and draw. As you can see, the line has been drawn. So, at this moment, we do not know anything. So we can view source code. We need to take a look at the source code. And because the source code is a bit big, and I will not go through all of them. However, here the first part is to define the class, the logger. However, this logger class haven't been used afterwards. So this is a very important point, and define the show image and draw image, and also draw from user data. So I think this is the key function. So how the line is being drawn. And we'll check the cookie. So here, not a cookie. The cookie has cookie. And we'll retrieve cookie. The key would be drawing. And the value would be decode. And then unserialize. So I think this level would have a lot to do with the serialize and unserialize. And then we'll, extract the number information and draw line for us. And store data. Okay, I think the function, the vulnerability of this code lies in the vulnerability of the serialize and unserialize function. Okay, so what it does mean, as you can see, because we can manipulate the cookie, and then so how to do? Let me show you. Maybe I can open another tab. So if we can, for example, we can create we can also, as you can see over here, the logger, the log class, when create the instance of this class, will write information, write the initial message, and when the instance is, or the object is destroyed, and then we'll write the message into the file. So if we can create the object for this logger class, and this object and is serialized. Okay, so for example, our client site or hacker, we can create the object and of the logger class, and then this would be the first step, and the second step would be serialize and also encode. And encoding involves base 64 and also the URL encode, and then we can manipulate the cookie, and the key name should be the drawing. Okay, so which one? The drawing. drawing, and the serialized object. Okay, so at the server side, because we'll deserialize object, and then of course we'll create the object. Deserialize the cookie. Okay, and then we'll create the object, and also we'll destroy the object. When destroy object, and then we'll write we'll write something into the file. So I think we can create our own logger, and the log file would be, for example, is accessible by the current user, and the exit message should be some malicious PHP file. For example, we can cut out the password for the next level. So let me show you action. I've already created this PHP code. You can get it from the source code here. And as you can see, we define some private variables, and this should be the construct when created the instance. And we want to, the exit message should be the malicious file, and we want to retrieve the password for the next level. And when when the instance is destroyed, we try to write the message into this file. And this file is accessible by current user, should be under the Natas 26. And then we'll create the instance for this logger class, and then we'll serialize this object. So let me show you to run it, and as you can see, we can get the serialized message or data, and then we can, for example, we can use the queue, and the user should be Natas 26, and the password. So what's the password? Password for the current user should be this one. We can copy. And we can put over here, and then we can, of course, the URL should be like this. And then we need to define the cookie, and the cookie should be drawing and followed by the serialized data or object. We can put over here. Then we can copy and run it. Oh, sorry. I think I'd like to change the file, the local file, the locase. Maybe we can call it, for example, like 1, and then we can copy. And then we can put over here, and then we can copy the entire command, run it. Although we got some error, which doesn't matter, then I think we can access the my log file to retrieve the password for the next level. So we can, so this should be my log 1 PHP. As you can see, we successfully retrieve the password for the next level. So maybe this one we can copy and put over here, Natas. All right, so that's it. So this is I'm going to do in this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.